Today I'll be sharing with you all the one thing I splurged on using my stimulus check. This is the box I've been waiting for, from an Etsy order by the Purple Door Decor. Yes, I have long awaited for this box. It is still, the arrival time is still within reason because it could have been as late as, I think, 4 days away. So the arrival time was pretty good. But yes, I have been waiting and waiting for this box. And here it is. I'm about to reveal what it is. The one thing that I did spend, and I splurged on this. I will not tell you how much it was. Of course, now you could go on Etsy and just look up the seller of the Purple Door and find out. So yeah, it was well wrapped with a friendly note, and I'm about to reveal. Yes, I love this. Let's just say I splurged. Here it is, y'all.
Yes. I absolutely
Beautiful, isn't it?
love this.
Now, I don't know if you get excited when you see wreaths, but I get truly excited over wreaths. Wreaths are probably my favorites as far as home decor. This wreath,
outside
I tried it
decor
out on the
especially.
wall in our house, one of the walls, so I could see what it looks like before placing it on the house. Here's the before, and there is the after. I truly believe it blends with the flag, and it brings out our little single wide. With the flag. So I really like the way it looks on our home. There it is. Again, I will not be telling how much it is. Let's just say it's way more than I've ever spent on a wreath. So, what did you spend your stimulus check on? Did you save it all? Did you spend it on